See the clip right now, you can visibly see that one heel goes higher than the other.
Best calisthenics exercises for beginners. Calisthenics is an art, and when done right, it can truly change your life. It's a form of bodyweight training designed to help people move better and get stronger in a more dynamic style of workout. That's why so many instructors create fantastic calisthenics for beginners courses that help people achieve better results in their fitness lives in a matter of months, or even weeks at times. These exercises are performed with differing levels of intensity and rhythm. Sometimes these exercises are done with light handheld tools like rings and wands. Keep watching this video to see calisthenics exercises itself and what fitness programs can help you. But before we get started, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fitness videos. 10 chin-ups. Let's start with probably the most difficult one for beginners. This will work primarily on your biceps and lats. Use a bar that is low enough or find a stool to elevate yourself to get into position.
Edit that out. Again, you're going to pull yourself up. Make sure your chin is over the bar.
Use a supinated, underhand grip with shoulder-width apart hands. Jump into the highest position of a chin-up and hold for a set amount of time. Breathe as you're holding yourself up. Keep a straight body line and try to touch the bar with your chest. If it's too difficult, assist yourself by lightly placing your feet on the stool to lessen the load. 20 push-ups. Get on your knees and place your hands underneath, but slightly outside your shoulders. Extend your legs while holding your body up with your arms, getting into the plank position. Be careful not to let your back sag or backside stick up in the air. Lower your body by bending your elbows close to your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Your upper arms should form a 45-degree angle when the top part of your body is in the lower push-up position. Pause while you're in the lower position and then push back up to the starting position quickly. Keep your abdomen or core flexed during the entire movement. 20 dips. Stand inside a dip bar and use your arms and shoulders to lift you off the ground. Bend your elbows back using your tricep muscles to move you up and down.
Your core and glutes should remain contracted as you descend, and be sure to lower yourself as far as your shoulder.
If you don't have a dip bar, you can also perform dips off an exercise ball or bench by keeping your feet on the ground and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. 10 burpees. Stand facing forward with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your weight in your heels and your arms at your sides. Push your hips back, bending your knees and lowering into a squat.
Touch the ground, jump your feet backward. Quickly lower down into the bottom of a push-up position.
Put your hands palms down on the floor in front of you, a little narrower than you're keeping your feet. Put your weight into your hands and jump your feet back, landing softly on the balls of your feet, your body in a straight plank position. Be careful not to let your back sag or your backside stick up in the air. Jump your feet forward so they land next to your hands. Push up your arms over your head and jump quickly into the air. 50 crunches. Lay on the ground with your back flat. Place your feet flat on the ground, bending your knees up at a 90-degree angle to your body.
Don't let your lower back come off the mat. Then slowly lower back down, keeping your abs tight until you...
Cross your hands on top of your chest and keep your head about a fist distance from your chest. Keeping your core tight, sit up until your elbows or chest touch your knees. Focus on using your core muscles to pull you up, breathing out as you sit up and breathing in as you lie down. 30 seconds of jump rope. Grasp the jump rope handles and hold your hands roughly the same distance from the center line of your body. Rotate the rope with your wrists, not your elbows or your shoulders, while jumping off the ground about 1 to 2 inches into the air, clearing the rope.
See the clip right now, you can visibly see that one heel goes higher than the other.
As you jump, keep your toes pointed down and a slight bend in your knees. 10 elevated push-ups. Develop your chest, triceps, and shoulders with this exercise. Find something sturdy enough you can put your weight on, such as a bench or a table. Hands on the surface of your choice, extend your legs backward but keep your hands under your shoulders and shoulder width apart. Maintain a straight body line from your head down, then let yourself down until your chest nearly touches the surface of your object. Push upwards by squeezing your chest and triceps. Keep your elbows parallel to each other. That is 1 rep. If you find it heavy, find a higher surface so you could put less weight on for the push-up. 10 leg raises. Our compound movements always engage the core. That's why we need to give it some loving. Leg raise exercises do exactly that for you.
Abdominis, adductors, psoas, and quads. Place your hands underneath your bottom and lift.
Lying on the floor with your arms on the sides and back completely flat on the floor, lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Lower them down slowly until your legs nearly touch the floor. Don't let it completely touch the floor. Then, repeat the process. Squeeze your core and do the movement in a controlled fashion. You'll get a strong core in no time. 10 bench dips. This is for your triceps, the biggest muscle group in your arms. Find a bench with enough height, similar to the previous exercises. The lower the height, the more difficult.
Tricep extension, and then back down, back up.
Hands on the edge of the bench, extend your lower body forward. Keep your hands underneath your shoulders. Lower your body just until your elbows get slightly deeper than 90 degrees. Then, push back up by contracting your triceps. 20 squats. Finish the round with a nice leg workout. Squats are essential for developing your lower body, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings and calves all at the same time. Just keep in mind the proper form. Don't let your knees go past your toes when you're lowering yourself down. Imagine as if you're going to sit down on a chair. Lower your butt and stop just before your hamstrings touch your calves. Push up by exerting from the heel, and that is 1 rep. You could put your hands in front of you for balance. 15 inverted row, 45 degrees. Let's get back to developing your lats and biceps. Hold the bar in a supinated, overhand grip. Keep a straight body line similar to the push-up. Think of the movement as an inverted push-up. Pull yourself up by squeezing your back and biceps. Imagine driving your elbows down and behind you. Do everything in a controlled manner. You can control the difficulty of the exercise by playing with the angle the same as the push-up. The lower the angle, the more difficult, and vice versa. So, this is the beginner lesson for calisthenics exercises. Hopefully, you got a lot out of this. Have you started doing this workout or not? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon. Till then, goodbye.